celebrating with those at a wedding at Cana in Galilee. Marriage is a sign of unity, loyalty all should uphold and honour. No one should enter into it lightly. I invite you to join hands and make your vow. Repeat after me. I, Daniel, take you, Kate.
I, Daniel, take you, Kate.
I, Daniel, take you, Kate.
To be my wife.
To be my wife.
To have and to hold.
And to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better.
For better.
For worse.
For worse.
For richer.
For richer.
For poorer.
For poorer.
In sickness.
In sickness.
And in health.
And in health.
To love.
To love.
And to cherish.
And to cherish.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us part.
I, Kate, take you, Daniel.
I, Kate, take you, Daniel.
For richer.
For richer.
For poorer.
For poorer.
In sickness.
In sickness.
And in health.
And in health.
To love.
To love.
And to cherish.
And to cherish.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us part.
Daniel and Kate have made their marriage vow. I therefore proclaim them husband and wife.